The cryptocurrency sector is beginning to gain momentum. Finally, Shiba Inu's situation is beginning to improve. Therefore, you cannot afford to miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own any Shib tokens. What is the most recent news on Shiba Inu Coin? And what impact will all of this have on Shiba Inu's worth? I'll be addressing these questions and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. I've done a lot of research for this video, so be sure to watch it through to the finish so you don't miss anything. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. However, before we go on to our subject, let's examine the graph and see how the cost of Shiba is moving on March 28. Today, a Shiba Inu costs around 1327 units. The price of Shiba has dropped 7% over the last day, with $254 million in trading activity during that time. The token is now the 21st highest valued cryptocurrency with a market capitalization of about $7.8 billion. Please note that by the time you see this video, some rates may have changed. Financial advice is not included in this article. Let's move on to the video for today. Shiba Inu warning. $130 trillion in profit before a significant shift given the possible price movement of the well-known dog currency. 130 trillion Shib coins are lucrative at the present Shiba Inu pricing, according to on-chain statistics. Investors and traders are closely monitoring the next significant shift in Shib's price movement as market momentum increases. 130.83 trillion Shib tokens, valued at $1.76 billion, are now making money or in the money at the current price of Shib, according to recent statistics from Into the Block. This might either encourage further accumulation or lead to profit-taking. Shiba Inu was up 5% in the previous 7 days to 1349 units at the time of writing. The market's confidence about the Federal Reserve's 2 rate cuts in 2025 helped meme coins and other cryptocurrencies rise. The value of Shiba Inu has increased gradually since March 22 and has now gained 7% every week for 3 days in a row. The movement today reached a peak of 1370 units, when Shib saw a little amount of profit-taking. Shiba Inu's future course of action would depend on how it acts around the temporary barrier between 1370 and 1380 units. With goals at the daily SMA 200 at 1915 and 2900 units, a sustained breach would aim for the everyday SMA 50 at 1415 units, which might result in enormous gains for the price of Shib. However, if the Shiba Inu value is rejected at the aforementioned barrier, support is anticipated around 1082 units. The optimism in the market helps meme coins. Since meme coins are highly speculative assets, they often respond significantly to trends in the larger cryptocurrency market, giving retail traders more alternatives for more risk and higher return. The Federal Reserve maintained its intentions for 2 rate cuts in 2025 while upgrading inflation estimates and lowering growth expectations last week, which increased risk assets. The market has become more optimistic as a result, and meme coins are setting the standard, since several of the tokens in this category have seen significant weekly growth. As they chase greater risk, higher reward options like meme coins, which are usually less expensive and may provide quick gains in comparatively short amounts of time, retail traders usually interpret relief in majors as an indication of favorable sentiment throughout the cryptocurrency ecosystem. We would much appreciate it if you could hit the like button if you are still viewing. It is free and contributes significantly to the channel's support. To learn about the most recent Shiba Inu news and what the future may bring for the Shiba Inu coin, however, stay watching. Shiba Inu makes a 16% comeback. This week, can Shiba reach 2,000 units? Shiba Inu seem to be recovering. Right now, the asset is outperforming Bitcoin on the 14-day, weekly, and daily charts. On daily charts, Shiba's price has increased by 3.3%. On weekly charts, it has increased by 5.8%, and on 14-day charts, it has increased by 16.7%. The daily charts show Bitcoin down 0.5%, the weekly charts show it up 4.4%, and the 14-day charts show it up 8%. Shiba is down 51.5% since March 2024 and 13.6% from the prior month despite the rally. Cryptocurrency is starting to recover. It's possible that the cryptocurrency industry is about to revive. The $86,000 threshold has been regained by Bitcoin. Earlier this month, Shiba Inu dropped to 1,100 units. Since then, 1,300 units of the dog-themed cryptocurrency have been recovered. Following the U.S. announcement that it will lower its tariffs, the market rebounded. Following the U.S. announcement of tariffs on many nations, market investors were exhausted. Investor confidence may have increased as a result of the Fed halting interest rate increases. Will 2,000 Shiba Inu units be reclaimed? Over the next week, SHIB may rise, according to CoinCodex. On March 30, the asset is expected to reach 2,970 units, according to the platform. If Shiba reaches the 2,970 unit threshold, its price will increase by 120.8%. SHIB's price is not expected to stay at 2,970 units, according to CoinCodex. The platform anticipates a decline in the asset's price shortly after it reaches 2,970. Shiba may continue to rise without experiencing a correction given the indications of a market rebound. If the Fed declares an interest rate drop at its next meeting, the price of Shiba may rise even more. It's also possible that Shiba Inu won't rally as expected. There are still many difficulties due to macroeconomic headwinds. Additionally, investor mood has not really rebounded from the most recent market decline. The major plot of today's video is about to begin. An unprecedented explosion in Shiba Inu burn rate. The cryptocurrency world was shocked by the astounding 771,019% increase in the burn rate of Shiba Inu tokens, which saw 18.6 million tokens burned in a single day. Reaching astronomical levels, the SHIB burn rate on Saturday, March 2nd, the Shiba Inu Digital Currency Society was taken aback by an unheard-of spike in the token's burn rate that went against the grain of normal market expectations. The official SHIB Burn X account claims that after only one day, the burn rate increased by an astounding 771,019%. A total of 18.6 million SHIB coins were taken out of circulation forever during this incredible occurrence. In the biggest individual burn transaction, 16 million SHIB were transferred to an unspendable wallet, and another 1 million SHIB transaction was also destroyed. Community conjecture and burn metrics. It's interesting to note that the enormous increase in burn rate does not exactly match the burned SHIB batch. The community has speculated that a possibly bigger burn transaction may have taken place, but was not documented by the SHIB Burn website or their X account as a result of this disparity. In a larger perspective, within the previous week, the SHIB Society has burnt 75 million tokens in total. It's important to note, however, that the burn rate has concurrently decreased by 86.04%, which raises more questions about the recent burn incident and its possible ramifications for SHIB investors. The token's scarcity and hence its market value may be impacted by such fast burn rates. The community remains to keep a careful eye on these extraordinary burn activities, even if the precise ramifications are yet unknown. The Shiba Inu community is still quite involved, following these odd burn patterns and debating their possible importance on social media and on other cryptocurrency forums. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.